So as everyone may know, the whole world is quarantined right now, and there really isn't shit to do at home, honestly. But I had this pair of Vans that I wanted to customize for a while. I just haven't had the time for it. So now that I'm stuck at home, might as well. And basically, this pair of Vans does not fit me. They're size 6. I'll show you in a bit. But I wanted to give them away to somebody that actually fits them. So yeah, if you're a size 6 in men or 7.5 in women, you can get these for free. Just I'll post the instructions down below so you can follow. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, just stay tuned. Read the description or something. But yeah, this is how they turned out. Pretty simple. Some flowers. I like them. They're just not my size. So yeah, if anybody is interested, I'm gonna be giving this away. But for now, just watch how I made them.
So what I decided to draw on the shoes were some flowers. So what you see me doing here is a sketch of what I was going to draw, just to have a visual and make it easier for myself. Then I transferred over the sketch onto the shoes, just to have a template and make it easier to paint. After sketching, I went ahead and started painting. I was supposed to use all 4 colors, but I don't know, I just liked red more, so I just went with red throughout the whole shoe, just to keep it simple. This is what the shoe looks like after just 1 coat of paint. I went back and did 3 coats just so the paint looks better and it sticks to the shoe a lot better as well. But yeah, now on to the next shoe. Now I'm just outlining the image, and after that I'm gonna go back over it with a Sharpie and make the lines.
Also, don't forget to add me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll be posting more on there. But yeah, I make a lot of stuff, a lot of custom stuff. And that's my thing. That's what I'll be doing in this YouTube channel or whatever. So yeah, if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I was scratching my nipple. But yeah, thanks for the support. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy watching videos like this, and I hope you come back and watch more.